Hello everyone, Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to install driver audio for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type device manager and hit enter, or go to the start menu and right click and select device manager. Is the second option. In this new window, scroll down and select audio inputs and outputs, and select speakers, and right click and select the first option, update driver, and select the first option, search automatically for drivers. One click, click on next install, and you can receive this message: the best drivers for your device already installed. Click on close and select any other device, for example your headphones or external audio bar, for example, and repeat this process. Right click and select the driver, select the first option, next install, and click on close. And to apply the change, restart your computer, select the power off button and click on restart. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.